In today's video, I'll teach you how to book motorcycle on Grab. For that, first of all, what you have to do is launch open Grab application. Make sure you're logged in to your account. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. At top, you'll be able to find the options for food, bike, car, mart, etc. Simply tap on this option, bike. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the bike interface. From here, you'll be able to book the bike. First of all, what you have to do is enter the destination. Simply tap on this field, where to. Now after you do that, you'll be able to enter the destination over here. You'll be able to find various options over here. You can simply tap on it, or you can also search for the destination. Now you'll be able to see the results over here. Tap on the location of your choice. Now once you do that, what you have to do is choose the pickup location. For that, tap on this option, pickup at. Now you'll be able to select the pickup location over here. Tap on the pickup location of your choice. Now after you do that, you'll be able to see all the available GrabBike drivers nearby. You'll also be able to see the estimated fares and arrival time over here. What you have to do is tap on the GrabBike of your choice. Now tap on this option, book. Now after you do that, what you have to do is simply confirm your booking. You can also track the driver's location and estimated time of arrival in real time within the application. So like this, you'll be able to book the motorcycle. So that is how you book motorcycle on Grab. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.